Let's learn how to add weighted scoring to your inspections and audits in Xenia. First, head over to the Edit button in the upper right corner for this specific site inspection. This will bring us into the template builder for this form. In the upper right, toggle on Weighted Scoring. Now weighted scoring is added to all our steps in this form. Let's take this multiple choice question here. We can change the weighting of this question so that the yes response is equal to 5 and the no response is equal to 0. This will weigh this question higher than other questions in this form. We can also save these options for future reuse so that the response options are paired with their weighted scoring value. Let's save those options, and now they'll appear in our View Saved Options button over here. Let's try a few others. Here we have 3 responses, so let's assign points of 2 for meets expectations, 1 for satisfactory, and 0 for not satisfactory. For a more critical step in this inspection, we'll make this one worth 10 points. We can also add point values to temperature and number responses. Any step type in Xenia's template builder can have a point value assigned to it. In Xenia, we also allow you to view weighted scores by section. Let's add some weighted scores to steps for the second section here. Let's create a step for checking if the safety alarms are working correctly. If we want to apply our previous weighted score, we can do so by clicking on our View Saved Options and selecting Yes and No. Here you'll see that our point values from the previous responses were stored. Once we're ready, you can publish the template to start using this inspection form with weighted scoring. Within our template settings, there are a few configurations we can enable specifically for weighted scoring. For example, we can show the score in the Submission in Progress view. This allows users working on a submission to see the score as they complete each section. We can also add scoring by step. This will show the score against each step in our reports. Here's an example of a template submission with weighted scoring turned on. We can see that the weighted score of this compliance audit report is 37%, and we can see the scoring by section. For each section of our checklist, we can see different scores and how they performed. All the scores are then aggregated at the top in the score summary along with a single weighted score value. That's it. That's how you enable weighted scoring in your operations templates in Xenia.